can go ahead and click on the YouTube link I gave you, the first one.
What's that under?
It's on the chat box. You find that, Todd? You find it, Todd?
Yep.
Did you guys find that?
Click under chat.
Yeah, go under chat. And you should see two links. The first one I sent you is at 2:01.
Right.
Okay, so go ahead and click on that one.
You have to right click to get to that. You find that, Todd? I'll try it.
So it should take you to a YouTube channel.
It's not doing anything.
Okay, you're in the chat box, right?
Right.
Okay, let me send it again.
Doesn't want to open anything.
Maybe you have to copy and paste it. Does that work for you, Todd?
Try copying and pasting.
Yeah. So do you see me on there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna mute my Zoom. And I'm gonna go right to the webcam. Okay. So the audio you're gonna hear from your YouTube sound will be coming from the VSR and the Model 16 behind me. And I'm gonna run through the unit again. So like we were talking just a few moments ago in regards to our VSR 264, 265. So here's the unit that I have connected to my network. And the great thing was I didn't have to get better internet, faster internet, or pay more money for any type of internet service. What I had is what I use already. It's what I use in my own household. So I didn't have to upgrade that in any way, form or fashion. I didn't have to buy a better router or upgrade my equipment either. I just only upgrade I had to do was just get the VSR 264 and 265. As I mentioned to you earlier, there's also an SD card in the slot right here in the front. You have a stream button and a record button. As you can see, my record button is orange because I don't have anything in the slot. So I can stream with the device, some media plugged into it or not. I'll still stream. But if I want to record, I'll need to have an SD card here in the front. We turn it over around and look in the back. Here's the Euro block connectors I have. So the microphones I have inputted into my Model 16 are running into here so you can hear my audio. There's the Euro block connectors for the output as well. HDMI in and out, and we talked about the there's a slight delay on the HDMI output because the unit is actually sending to the monitor the actual stream, so it's being decoded at this point into the monitor. So it's more for your healthy stream or your stream health to make sure that it is streaming first of all, so you don't have to get another device and do that too. So it's not like a confidence monitor, but more or less a health monitor for the stream. Here's my Ethernet. Here's my USB connection in the back too, so I can decide to either go from the SD card or to the USB and record from there, whichever media your end user prefers. It's either one or. It's not both, unfortunately, but it is either or. And we talked about power supply and our Ethernet cable. So if you're using it through an injector, your injector must have PoE plus, or just get the optional power supply that's available. So I can send you some more information in regards to some of the settings that are on here, but like I mentioned to you earlier, I've not had any a platform yet tell me that they can't use or our machine isn't compatible. The Tascam VSR 264 or 265 is not compatible with their system. So I've talked to Boxcast or Vimeo, YouTube, Facebook. They've all said yes, it does work and it will work, and it has worked. So for a good example of that, check out the link I gave you to a church down in Hurst, Texas that uses the 265 for their Sunday services. And I think they used it again for this past Sunday, so I'm trying to find that link as well. And you can subscribe to my channel, Eugene's Tascam channel, and you can see all the other videos that I've done using the VSR 265 in training. So it's a Model 16 and 2 condenser microphones that I'm just using for my audio. So I'm going to stop the stream right now, and then I'm going to go back to you, and we'll talk some more on the Zoom meeting, and then we'll talk some more Tascam. Thank you.